Today we have some incredibly exciting updates about SoFi stock that you won't want to miss. This video dives into a significant new bullish price target from an analyst, some key insights into where the stock might be headed around its earnings report, and important developments for SoFi's growth trajectory. If you've been following the stock or are considering investing, this video will give you a clearer picture of what's happening and why Q4 might be far more promising than many believe. Let's jump right in. Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. First, let's address the latest price target upgrade. A prominent analyst has significantly increased their price target for SoFi, signaling a much more optimistic outlook than before. Previously, the target was quite conservative, but now the revised figure shows an exciting potential upside. This reflects growing confidence in SoFi's ability to deliver strong performance, especially with its Q4 earnings just around the corner. Remember, SoFi's earnings are set to be announced on the 27th, and many are eagerly awaiting what the company has to reveal. While some narratives floating around suggest Q4 might be soft, the reality looks quite different when we examine the numbers. Let's rewind to last year. From Q3 to Q4, SoFi's performance demonstrated considerable growth. This is a crucial reminder not to get swayed by online chatter claiming otherwise. Instead, the evidence points to a bullish setup for this quarter. With the aggressive marketing strategies SoFi has employed recently, it's evident they're pushing hard to capture more market share. Every move the company has made over the past few months underscores its intent to solidify its position as a leader in its sector. Expect records to be broken in revenue, member growth, and profitability. My projections place revenue between $720 million and $760 million, with an EPS of 7.7, notably higher than the analyst's average expectation of a 4 EPS. One fascinating aspect of SoFi's management strategy is their ambitious $45 maximum compensation bonus package set for mid-2026. But here's the twist. They're unlikely to wait that long to meet this target. Pushing the stock price to $45 as late as mid-2026 would be far too risky. Instead, SoFi is likely aiming to reach this milestone well in advance. That means 2025 could be a pivotal year. Unlike the conservative guidance we saw early in 2024, I anticipate a far more aggressive stance as we enter the new year. This proactive approach aligns with my bullish outlook, and yes, I've even mentioned a potential $75 price target. However, reaching such a level would depend on two critical developments. The first key factor is SoFi's Galileo technology platform. If they can secure a deal with a top 10 legacy bank, it would be a game changer. The second crucial milestone is SoFi's inclusion in the S&P 500. This would set off a chain reaction. Once the announcement is made, institutional investors in Wales would start buying. But the actual entry into the S&P 500 usually takes a couple of months. These combined catalysts, a Galileo deal and S&P 500 inclusion, could propel the stock to new heights, potentially reaching $75 by 2026. Now shifting gears to the short-term technical analysis, SoFi stock has been showing intriguing patterns. As of today, with only about 15 minutes left in the trading session, the stock was up approximately 5%. The chart reveals tight movements with minor pullbacks instead of significant sell-offs. This indicates a consolidation phase, which often precedes a breakout. If SoFi can surpass the $15.50 resistance level, a return to the $16 range seems likely, possibly even by next week. Going into earnings, a $16 to $17 range appears achievable, positioning the stock for a potential rally to $20 and beyond if Q4 results meet or exceed expectations. The broader market also tells an interesting story. While the IWM Russell 2000 index has been selling off, SoFi has been defying this trend, showing resilience and strength. Such divergence is a positive indicator, suggesting that SoFi is carving its path regardless of broader market movements. Additionally, we've seen some notable updates from analysts. For instance, Barclays recently raised its price target from $9 to $16. This kind of upgrade, although seemingly minor, signals growing confidence in the stock's performance and future prospects. However, it's essential to acknowledge that some manipulation may be at play. Certain analysts appear to be suppressing their targets, possibly influenced by larger entities shorting the stock. Regardless, SoFi's fundamentals remain strong, and the upcoming earnings report could outpace even the most conservative estimates. One technical indicator worth noting is the formation of a bullish flag pattern. According to a recent tweet, the next measured move suggests a potential rise to the $21 range, aligning with Fibonacci levels. If the broader market provides support, this move could materialize sooner rather than later. Looking at historical performance, SoFi's revenue in Q3 2023 jumped from $531 million to $594 million in Q4, a remarkable $60 million increase. If we see a similar leap this quarter, revenue could easily hit $750 million or more. My current projections place the range between $720 million and $760 million, signaling significant growth. Analysts might aim to temper expectations, but the numbers suggest otherwise. SoFi's financial services segment, Galileo platform, and lending initiatives all point to a strong performance. While lending revenue might stabilize, other segments could see accelerated growth, driving overall numbers higher. One last point to address is seasonality. At the end of 2023, SoFi didn't experience the typical seasonal slowdown many anticipated. This trend could repeat, further bolstering the bullish case for Q4. With multiple catalysts in play, SoFi is poised for an exciting future. The combination of strong fundamentals, strategic initiatives, and favorable technical setups paints a compelling picture for investors. In conclusion, SoFi stock is setting the stage for a remarkable run. Between the aggressive marketing efforts, the ambitious management goals, and the potential for major catalysts, there's a lot to look forward to. Whether it's the short-term target of $16 to $17 or the long-term potential of $45 to $70, the outlook is undeniably promising. Stay tuned for the earnings report on the 27th, as it's likely to provide even more clarity and momentum for SoFi's journey ahead. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.